EGR's right there. 8mm. I sprayed it down with a little bit of cleaner, but it really wasn't that gunky. I'll get in there with a brush and clean it a little bit better. I have an ultrasonic cleaner too, but it doesn't even look like it needs it. I had a code, a 401 or 404, and I clean this thing maybe every 15,000 miles or so. I never had to replace it yet. It throws a code off every, 10 to 15,000. I'll throw off a code, but this is probably the cleanest it's been. So, surprise. But just the 8mm, you pull it out, wire brush it. I use brake cleaner on it, like I said. I just put an ultrasonic cleaner this way so it's not, the top of it's not submerged, it just sits in it. That's fine. But I'm just gonna wire brush this off a little bit, dry it off, throw it back in, and that coat should go away.